Hey y'all, working on my fairy quotes journal again. I have another one of those notepad sheets from Dollar Tree, and I chose two phrases from Adamo prints. One says spread your wings, the other says flower fairy, and two images from tailor-made journals. And I backed these onto a book page, so I'm just going to cut these out. Okay, you see how these curled when they dried? If you just curl them back with your fingers a little bit, they'll flatten out. If you put these under heavy books and let them dry, they won't curl like that. And I really like this image. There's a little flower on that leaf she's writing, and all the pretty butterflies. So, of course, I'm going to put spread your wings on this one, but I'm going to turn this into a pocket. So, glue the two sides and glue across the bottom to make the little pocket. Now, I do have to cut this down a little bit, but let me show you. The cool thing about these from Adamo prints is they have multiple colored lines around them, which helps when you need to cut these down. You don't have to guesstimate so much, and you can cut down as many lines as you need to fit it where you want to fit it. And then you still get to keep the color around the outside. Okay, now this image I'm just going to turn into a little journaling card. And I'm going to glue it to this page. There's little purple flowers in the background, which is why I chose this purple lined paper for the back. So I'm just going to glue this to the notepad sheet and then cut around it. Now I'm going to leave a little tiny border around the outside edge of the image to showcase that purple color all the way around the edge. And then I'm going to have to cut this one down quite a bit, this phrase, quite a bit to fit. Okay, finally decided and got that glued on. And this will slide into this pocket. And then I decided to go ahead and add a notebook sheet to the pocket as well, just for some extra writing material. So I'll just trim the edge off so that it'll fit down into the pocket. Still too wide, so I had to trim a little bit more. Okay, done with this pocket for now. Thanks for watching, y'all.